Gawa na naman po ako ng homemade pizza. Yan, for our lunch. Yan. Homemade pizza. Yan, ito po yung isa. Yan, nalagyan ko po siya ng pepperoni on top. This is easy made na paggawa ng pizza dough. Just like this. Then you decorate what you want the vegetable you put on the pizza. Then my boss bought this pepperoni, this stick. So they may like this type of pepperoni. I put ham. Then this one, you only bake 240 C in the oven, 10 to 13 minutes only. And then you have yummy pizza. It's nice and chewy. Mga kalodi. Yan. This is my homemade pizza. Hindi ko po pinakita yung kung paano ko gawin yung yung dough. So if you want the recipe, I can share with you guys. Thank you for watching.